Every realtor wants their listings to stand out online. But let's face it, dull, uneven photos just don't grab attention. Most property photos suffer from poor lighting. The interiors look too dark, the windows are overexposed, and those little details buyers love are often lost. That's where HDR photo editing comes in. HDR, or high dynamic range editing, blends multiple exposures into one perfect image. It captures every light and shadow detail, making rooms appear naturally bright and beautifully balanced. With HDR editing, every photo becomes a selling point. Interiors look warm and welcoming, exterior shots glow with perfect skies, and every corner of the property shines with clarity. Buyers spend more time on listings that look professional, and that means faster sales and more offers for realtors. Just look at the difference. HDR turns dull, shadowy photos into bright, inviting spaces. Every image tells a story, one that helps buyers imagine their future home. If you're serious about selling faster, start using HDR real estate photo editing today, because great listings don't just get noticed, they get sold.